Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news we've been re-rated lower on currency markets today. We start today noting the US dollar is surging higher in markets convinced the US Fed will start reducing some of its money printing operations soon. The New Zealand dollar has been particularly hard hit by the move, undermined by the perception offshore that we're losing the pandemic struggle. In the US, the number of signed contracts to buy existing homes recovered 8.1% in August from July, reversing 2 months of declines. More sellers are coming into this market. But last week, American mortgage applications actually fell and home loan interest rates rose slightly. So perhaps the September house sales data won't be as strong. In China, their central bank injected liquidity into their banking system for a 9th consecutive day, adding $22 billion in reverse repo transactions at 2.35%. But it isn't unusual for them to juice their financial system at this time ahead of the National Day holidays. What is unusual is the quantum that is building up, juiced by the Evergrande contagion. EU economic sentiment edged higher in September after a fall in August, boosted by optimism amongst consumers and in industry and construction sectors, while inflation expectations continued to rise sharply. In fact, German import prices rose at a startling rate of 16.5% in August. Global demand for international air cargo is strong, with volumes up 8.6% in August compared with August 2019. It remains at elevated levels we've seen for the past 4 months. But it is growth that seems to be passing the Asia-Pacific region by, inhibited by pandemic restrictions in the region. In Australia, their regulators confirmed they're discussing how to clamp down on their housing market risks and are preparing to release new lending restrictions before Christmas. The US Treasury 10-year yield opens today at just over 1.54%, and the price of gold will start today down another $12 at $1,726 an ounce, and a 6-month low. Silver has fallen harder, now back to where it was in June 2020. And oil prices have changed little overnight, still just on $75 a barrel in the US, while international Brent price is still just over $78 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens today sharply lower at just on 68.6 US cents, and almost a full 1 cent drop since this time yesterday. Against the Australian dollar, we're quite soft at just on 95.6 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're down to 59.2 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index starts today at 72.6, down 60 basis points overnight and down towards the lower end of the 72 to 74 range of the past 11 months. We welcome your feedback on these issues. Leave a comment below or on our website. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.